Well, welcome to the 7th Porsche Club Autocross of the year. And it's very wet. It's been pouring rain all day. It was 80 degrees yesterday and barely gonna be 71 today. And it's, I think, only gonna get up to like 60 maybe by the end of the racing. So, a little cold, a little wet, but we're gonna do the best we can. Doing the course walk this morning, in the rain of course. But check out Beach 1 over here. This thing's really cool. I don't know what it's going to be used for other than moving people around, but oh, it's like a restaurant. That's what it says there. This is really cool. Long drive shaft. This thing's cool. All right, this is the second to last event for the year. This guy is currently in first, this modified WRX, and 91 I think is right behind me by 1 point. So today's not going to go well for me because, well, I don't have all-wheel drive, but we'll see what happens. Well, the WRX is 0.4 seconds behind me, and the guy I need to be ahead of is 0.4 seconds or 0.5 seconds behind me. So I'm keeping my lead. That last run wasn't good. It was my yellow run there. And you see that I got a little wide, figured it out the first section, and then got a lot of speed. But the problem is I had too much speed in that back section. You see I was sliding all over the place coming into that last section there, and I had to slow down a lot. And then I went wide, and I hit that cone right there. So, gotta clean that up. It's only my third run. And the data logger messed up the first run, which is why that first one's weird. Anyway, it's time to get back out there. It's kind of dried up. Well, it stopped raining. It's still wet, as you can see, but it's not pouring rain right now, so gotta make it count. Well, the car is an absolute dirty disaster, but I've got second fastest time of the day. I just beat by a four-wheel drive Golf R, so I don't feel too bad about that. And then I am like half a second above everybody else. It is obviously sunny, and puddles still out there, but the temperature's coming up and it's drying out a little bit. Anyway, I gotta keep this speed. Hopefully this new mount, I got camera charging, but hopefully that has a good view. We'll see. So it's drying up. I'm 2/100ths behind top time, and I blew it in that corner over there. I think the trick is back there. There's a dry section on the inside of the last of the arc, and I knew that I needed to be there, but I picked up so much speed in the back that I was just in the wrong place. So I need to be really mindful of my braking zone and into there. Well, I get one more run, but the problem is that person that's ahead of me has a rerun. So it gets drier and drier by the minute. So he's probably gonna get a nice dry run in that. And then Eric gets 2 reruns because of timing mishap. Whoever's in front of him keeps knocking down cones. So yeah, I'm kind of screwed there. And then obviously the afternoon it's going to be really dry and fast. But, you know, I'm going to consider this 2 events for the day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, because otherwise it's going to be so dry by the afternoon that the time's going to be horrible. Anyway, time to get going. This seems to be the typical starting area for Porsche Club, a tight left or right. And I usually spin the tires, get a little bit of dryness off. You see I'm kind of dodging the water there, going wide to get around the bigger puddles. And then this was a pivotal cone right here. It's coming around tight to get a nice straight stretch of full speed coming through, hard on the brakes, get the car to transition. I was doing a lot of drifting through these 2 areas here, trying to get the car straight to come through this back section. You see it's starting to dry up a little bit, getting a lot of speed coming through here. And this back section was the most difficult. Slamming on the brakes as hard as I can, staying tight to that cone to be on the right-hand side of this so I can freaking floor it through here, because that is the slipperiest part. And this was obviously my fastest run, and only beat by a 4-wheel drive car. I think I did pretty well in the wet. Well, the car's parked, but Doug got a rerun in the drier section, and he beat me by 0.06 of a second. Very annoying for me. I should have parked a little bit further back in the grid to get drier, but you look how much drier it is now after the last run, so damn. Anyway, great day of racing. Ended up second in the raw, second and first in my class. So now the afternoon's gonna run. We're gonna call that a whole nother race because it's very dry for them, especially after braking here for a little bit. So anyway, time to get to my work session. It is super dry out there. It's like 2 different races. But that ends it for me. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, be my co-driver. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on the next one. This is one of the most disparate differences between early morning and afternoon I've seen in a long time. With this car over here pulling out like 3 seconds or whatever off of my fastest time, and I was second in the raw for the morning. It's completely soaking wet out there in the morning and then dry now. It's night and day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, catch you on the next one, and I'll see you out there. Peace. All right, here's a little bonus footage checking out the new camera angle. You gotta let me know what you think on this. Drop me a comment. Let me know if it's worth it. Should I switch some of the other my in-car footage or above-car footage to this? I don't know. Let me know. I think it's pretty cool. A little nervous for me as you're driving around. You can kind of see how close I'm getting to those cones coming through, and you know, I'm like right in here, drifting the car just a little bit. You can't normally tell that when the car's drifting or what the car's doing, but you can really see how I'm changing direction pretty quickly, braking, and then coming around and seeing the whole course as it goes by. Anyway, let me know what you think, and maybe I'll switch to this. Catch you in the next one. Peace.